Now it's time to install the solid state drive. Something to keep in mind is not all M.2 slots perform the same. Usually the slot closest to the processor is going to be the fastest one. However, you're going to have to look at your motherboard manual and see what it says. For this particular model, it's going to be the one that's underneath this heatsink, so I'm going to unscrew the heatsink and take it off. And then to install the actual solid state, you're going to take the solid state and you're going to line it up with this notch right here in that slot, and then with one end raised slightly, you're going to slide it in until it's fully seated. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the heatsink and make sure the peel comes off. If you forget to remove this particular peel, it may actually degrade the performance of the solid state because the solid state is going to get too hot and it's going to start throttling itself. So make sure to remove that peel. And now we're just going to put it back into place. And now it's time to screw it down. So now the solid state is installed.